Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today I will crochet Sadness from inside out. This video is part 2. For the Sadness's body crochet pattern, please refer to the previous video. I will place the link in the description below. If you like this, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support really motivates me to create more videos for you. Here are the tools you'll need for this video. 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, forceps for stuffing, and a needle. The video is divided into 2 parts. In part 1, I will crochet the body of Sadness, and in the part 2, I will crochet the cloth and hair of Sadness. Let's start crocheting the cloth. Start with 5 chains with beige yarn. In row 1, start with a chain, and then single crochet in back bump of the chain. Do 5 single crochet, then turn to the back. In rows 2 to 30, crochet in the back loop only. Start with a chain. Do 5 single crochets, then turn your crochet piece and repeat the same pattern until you reach row 30. This is the final outcome when you keep crocheting in the back loop only. Next, we start with 24 chains. After that, do a slip stitch in the first chain to form a loop. Here, I insert the hook into the back bump to make a slip stitch. In the next round, all the single crochets are done in the back bump of the chain. Start with a chain and do 24 single crochet. Total 24 stitches. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. The sadness cloth is done. Next, we crocheting the hair. Start with 6 single crochet in a magic ring. When you finish a round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch and then make a chain to start the next round. In round 1, make an increase in every stitch until the end. You should have a total of 12 stitches. In round 2, make 6 increase, then make 6 single crochet. Total 18 stitches. In round 3, makes 3 increase. Then make 15 single crochet, total 21 stitches. Next, we're going to make the first hair strand. Makes 15 chains. Then skip 1 chain and start crocheting from the second chain. Insert the hook into the back bump of the chain. Do 1 slip stitch, then 13 single crochet. When you finish the hair strand, make a slip stitch in round 3. For the 2nd to 5th hair strands, make 20 chains. Then, skip 1 chain and do a slip stitch in the 2nd chain. Make 18 single crochets and finish with 1 slip stitch in round 3. For the following hair strands, follow the written pattern. Now, all the parts of sadness are done. Let's assemble everything together. First, put the clothes on the body. The dress fits body perfectly, though it needs to be squeezed on when putting it on. Sew the hands on both sides at round 14 of the body. Sew the sweater's collar to cover up the hands and neck. Combine the hair with the head. The hair strand that I pinned is the first hair strand, which starts with 15 chains. Using pins to arrange and hold the hair, once you're satisfied with the hair's position, you can either sew it onto the head or use glue to stick it in place. For the eyeglasses, I use wire to shape them and wrap eye with black yarn. Here is my final crochet of sadness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crochet tutorials and creative crafts. See you next time.